Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to delete your caption in your file in Collect. Maybe you want to delete the caption you written on that specific file in your Collect but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can delete your caption on that file in your Collect application. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will be directed into this page, your All Items. And you can also see below your boards, sort later, and the count. For this example, to delete the caption in your files in Collect, simply tap that file that has a caption and you want to delete. For example, this one is an indicator that has a caption on it. Simply tap on it. And as you can see at the lower right corner of your screen, you will see the caption logo over here. Simply tap on this one. So to delete this caption, simply tap on Edit button. And you will see in here the Delete button. Press on it. And there will be a heads up for you. Are you sure you want to delete this caption? If you are sure of it, simply tap on Delete to continue. And as you can see in here, the logo changed. This means that there is no caption on this file. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to delete caption on file in your Collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete the caption on your file in Collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.